Is this all the important stuff that you needed me to do today? Hold the light?
Yeah. You got burning me with it.
Am I burning you? Sorry. I was trying to get it at a good angle. It don't chip it up.
I'm not hitting hard. It's not to get it to spin around. Wheel of Fortune.
I don't know about Wheel of Fortune.
Wheel of Misfortune?
Wheel that cost a fortune.
You know what that is?
No, should I?
It's a safety ring.
What does that mean?
Your damn wheel don't come off.
Oh.
So you put this in here and you clamp one of those little flanges down. I can't remember if I did it on the other side or not.
Great.
Which, why I take it back out and do some adjusting, I don't know yet.
So the driver's side wheel's not going to come off, but the passenger might?
See how the teeth are bent like that? I'm gonna take it off.
Why do you got to take it off?
Straighten it out. See how they're bent?
Is that what you're going to unbend?
Well, I need to straighten some of these out. And then they look like that. I might just cut that one off. It's not necessary. Good. Take a break. Gotta pee. Last this one on.
Oh, that rain's coming down. You need a pair of pliers to hold it.
I need you to get that thing off my face.
Well, I mean, what do you want from me? You asked me to hold it. Whoa. Is it supposed to go all the way in? It's like it's hitting something. So what does that mean? Where does it go to?
Just calm down.
Sorry.
You ask some questions I don't know.
How you working this chaos?
Oh, I did the wrong one. Oh, here you go. Here's something for you to do.
Oh man, another one?
I did one for you today. I told you not to wear good stuff. Take it off and put something there. Put that there for me.
I'm fine.
When you get to damn doing that, you might get it all over your vest.
Appreciate it. Huh?
We good. Counterclockwise.
My hand's cramping.
I'm just giving you words of advice. You work it back and forth. You know what I'm saying? said, I didn't say like this. I said at an angle.
Does it good or what?
It's fairly clean. I can't tell. Stupid. I can't see.
Oh my god. Apparently you just can't be happy.
Stop, you're messing me up.
What am I doing?
Let me laugh, stop.
What is that, glue?
Gasket sealer.
So glue?
Gasket sealer.
So it's like glue.
It's gasket sealer. No, it's not like glue.
So it seals it and makes it stick like glue?
Sure is warm. Why are you trying to burn me, man?
I'm not trying to burn
You
you.
do that.
Well, I'm just trying to give you good light.
You try to burn me.
I'm not.
Just follow me, man.
Where's the boy? Hey, Bowie! Oh, look, he's waiting on me without honking the horn 42 times. Thanks for being patient. What are you reading?
Reading, looking.
What are you looking?
People's Magazine. Look how dirty that was. That's why I'm replacing the lines because all that crap and stuff on the inside. Smell it? It smells like me.
Why would I smell it? Oh, yes, it smells like what you smell like.
For some wounded warriors, their battle continues for the rest of their lives. They gained my son. I'll the future.
I need.
Looks like it's in there crooked, which is probably
Yeah.
why it's not biting. Can you bend it a little bit?
I could just need you to,
Not top?
yes.
Okay.
That's what I need. I know what I need to do.
Okay.
I was just sitting there turning.
Oh.
The one I just got. So I gotta get one this size, but with a 1/4 inch line.
What-
1/4 inch line.
What time they close?
We're going to the one in Spring Oak.
Where am I going?
Spring Oak.
Did you get it?
Close enough. It'll work.
Are we back in business? Not yet. Would you like for me to hold that?
Yes, just don't burn me. All right.
Now what?
Now, let me see this. Now, I gotta run a brake line from... Let me go ahead and hook this up. Bless. Hey. Oh, that's for You hadn't been out here the whole time.
I thought only I did things like that.
You do. I just don't do it in front of you. Can I get here, please? I mean, is that too much ask? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and say this before we even. I mean, we still got a ways to go. But you need to get this into your head. When you get ready to bleed the brakes, you need to listen. And the pedal does not go all the way to the floor because you'll blow out the gaskets in this thing. So when I say pump it, you just kind of a little bit.
Is it time?
No.
Oh. Well, then why are you telling me these things?
Because we still got to put the two wheels back on.
Oh. You don't have to have wheels to have brakes.
Oh, yes, you do.
You do?
If you're going to start messing with brakes, you want to have the damn hubs back on. Not the wheels, just the hubs.
I don't know.
Because if you push the brakes out, then you won't never get the hubs back on.
I don't know what that means. So I got you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I shut the door. Was I not supposed to?
You don't do stuff like that. I don't know. My fingers might be in the way. Something might blow up.
They weren't.
Jesus.
Calm yourself.
You calm down.
Do you need help?
I don't think so. I need a ball peen hammer or a ball, please.
Like this?
That's a ball peen hammer. That's nice. You see this? Look. Give me a hammer. A maul.
Is that not what that is, though?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's what you said. Huh?
A little maul. Thank you.
Hey, babies. I needed a break before I strangled your dad. Come and give me some love, Nana. Hey, Misty. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. No, I don't want kisses. Chin scratches are the best. Are you coming over to be sweet? Come here. Nana. Hey, baby Ale. Hey, baby. You're the fluffiest girl.
I'm gonna do the whole. Just don't put her all the way to the floor. You get close.
Tell me when.
I think you should take your boot off.
I don't. I think my foot's cold.
Kidding.
I am, but not like when you pump a brake and it pumps all the way up and you can't push it anymore. Yeah. It's not like that. Where do you want my finger?
You'll have to come. See my middle finger? Just hold the fluid right there long enough for me to clean this thing out. Apparently it got clogged up in the machine.
Fluid holder. That's my name. What was the problem?
That is one problem. The hole was clogged so it wouldn't bleed on that one side.
Nice.
So now I gotta check the fluid level and then get you go in there and do all this shit all over again.
What made it get clogged?
Could just be dirt and something. Okay.
It's a nice looking manicure you got there.
Like that? I don't know where the top is.
It's fine. I'll look for it later.
Right there, Dad.
I'm gonna apply a little bit of pressure and you're gonna do something.
You're gonna go to the floor, but I'm gonna be doing it.
Yeah, okay.
Ready?
Whenever you are. Are you ready?
Feel it?
No, I don't feel nothing because I ain't pushed it yet.
You're not pushing it right now, right? I'm just asking a question.
I was just showing you. Glad my fingers weren't in that. Let me take my foot off. You need to tell me before you do that.
Sorry.
Not a... I mean, yeah. It gets more and more.
Was it like it was? Was it like it was?
Yeah. Do you...
That's when you know it's time to eat. She's over here looking. Crazy ass.
Literally. You want me to put it there and hold it?
Just put your foot at the top of it. Get that?
I mean, I'm not exactly sure what's supposed to be happening here. Do I need to take my shoe off?
It should be pretty noticeable.
Well, it's not.
The pressure
So,
should be coming off really, really slow.
well, I didn't notice anything. So should I take my shoe off?
So it
Can I
comes
let
in.
go?
Yeah. I told you this in the beginning to be.
Oh!
Pump it up. You don't apply any pressure. I mean,
You just told me to pump it up.
you got it pumped up.
Yes.
You got your foot on it.
Yes.
Right. Just kind of like resting on, not pushing hard.
Yes. I don't feel anything happening.
All right.
My foot's cold.
Go back to the top.
Go back to the top.
The brake pedal.
I ain't got nothing on it.
Does it come back up to the top?
Yeah, as far as I know.
Oh!
Apparently there's a lot of dirt in my
Hey.
shoe. What?
Give me some love.
Why? You're mean to me.
No, I'm not mean to you.
You are.
No, you're mean to me.
No.
Yes. I'm just hoping this works out. I'm not looking to do it.
Okay.
Light pressure, right?
Yes. I feel that moving.
Uh-huh. Stop, do it again.
Pump it or just put my foot on it?
Pump it up again. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
Foot at the top.
Yeah.
Light pressure.
Yeah. I mean, it's getting there.
Perfect.
Let go.
That's good. You let it go. Let me check. Make sure you get enough fluid.
Now, why didn't I feel that on the other ones?
Because that's the main vein. You feel me? The main vein. The main vein, Mom.
I feel you.
Listen. You don't feel me either.
I know my foot's getting cold.
Come on.
And my donkeys are getting hungry. I am good for something. Every now and then.
You got pumped up?
10-4. Yes.
You got pumped up?
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on.
I'm holding.
I know you're freezing this.
Only my right foot.
Come on now. 10, short of 10. Short of 11. Short of 11. 1, 5, short of 11. Short of 11.
Not on this one. Should I?
Oh shit. Okay.
What happened?
I got shot.
You got shot?
Yeah.
With what? In your eye? Oh. You'll be fine.
More.
You polluted, didn't you?
I did, but you hear it?
No, I don't hear it. I smell your butt.
Alright.
Ah!
Alright.
No, but you're not sorry.
Is it getting harder?
I mean, there's pressure, but it's not building pressure.
Turn it over and pump the gas.
What? I am pumping it. Don't be yelling. I can't hear what you're saying.
Turn it. Well, we're moving in the right direction. Hit the brake is down. The wheel puts it moving.
Can I hit the brake? Okay, it didn't stop. I'm scared to push all the way to the floor. I'm gonna blow something out. I'm scared. You do it. It slows down. Oh. So, we have a pumping situation? This?
Yeah, straight up.
Do I need to put a brake on or anything? Straight up.
Alright, let's clutch out. They're both turning now.
They're both turning? Well, we want them to not turn, right?
Oh, you want them to turn, it's in gear.
But you want them to stop when we hit the brake. Give me hit the brake.
Uh-huh.
It's in gear?
Yeah, left clutch.
I'm nervous. I ain't got it on the clutch.
Do a little gas.
That makes me nervous.
Alright, it's all jacked up. Ain't no touching it.
There ain't, well, I guess there ain't no tires on it. Woo! Hey, just so you know, this wheel spins more than that wheel.
It's just because there's no pressure on it. Go ahead. Put it back in neutral. Push the clutch in.
Oh!
Bring it back to you. You're in second. Back up a little bit. Wiggle left to right. Yeah, you're good. Damn, she purrs.
Huh?
The damn she purrs.
I'm a little rusty on my stick shift driving. You gonna teach me?
Oh yeah.
Again? We better be out in a real big field.
I think I need to adjust the brakes on. Huh?
Need to clean that back windshield that you spray painted
I
over.
did.
You spray
I
painted.
mean, I know. I cleaned it like with everything.
Why you get so defensive?
That's from like whatever. That's all chipped up.
It don't really matter.
As long as you can see that thing go up and down.
Why you get so defensive?
Because I spent 30 minutes on it yesterday trying to clean the damn thing. It's clean on the inside. It's the outside is chipped. I'm telling you.
I know. I cleaned it inside.
Don't sound good.
Now put some tires on this bad boy.
We ain't got no brakes yet.
Kinda. We still only got one wheel rolling over here. That one ain't rolling. What does that mean?
It's not bothering her. Oh, I don't know.
She must be got a negative rear end. Kinda like people, I reckon.
Oh, it's not.
Some got more rear end than others.
You hear me? Look.
What?
Hold it.
It's like my grandma's pickup truck. It just rolled on downtown without giving it gas. That's what I learned to drive on. I never even got to hit the gas pedal. we go put the big girls up while you do that?
Yeah.
Get in there. Oh, no, no. Get in there. Get, little fuzzy face. Here, Nosy. Don't snatch it out of my hand. Okay. Back up. Back it on up. Back it on up. Back it on up. Daphne, are you ready to eat? Woo! Been busy.
One thing I can say is,
Don't get frustrated. You're gonna get it. Cause you're so smart in there.
I don't understand. I just don't understand.